Hello and welcome to what you need to know for ProPresenter operators. In this video, we are going to talk about audience looks, audience screens, our main screen in the room and our live stream / lobby screens. We need to talk a little bit about how audience looks work. And for that, we're going to go to the screens tab. We are going to see right here is our audience looks section. We're going to edit our looks. We have this grid right here. On the left side is elements from ProPresenter. Across the top are all of the video outputs that ProPresenter is sending this information to. If we want to send lyric slides to the live stream, we would take this slide box right here on the live stream output and we would check this box. That would send lyrics and text from the slides to the live stream output here. And we can see here in our worship audience look, that is the case, that we have the slide information box checked for the live stream. When we select a worship macro, those macros are triggering this audience look. So these macros are telling ProPresenter to send lyrics to the live stream. That is how that works. If for some reason we wanted to have a worship look that did not include lyrics to the live stream, go over here and right click on one of our looks and duplicate it. We rename this look to worship no stream lyrics or something like that. So we have this audience look, which is for the purpose of having worship in the main room on our main screen, and also for having worship lyrics on the live stream and in the lobby TVs out in the lobby. But we've also now got this look that we just created, and the purpose of this look is to remove lyrics from the live stream and the lobby TVs, but keep the lyrics in the main room. Go to the slide box on the live stream output, uncheck that box. Now that we've got this look created and it operates the way that we want it to, we can close out our looks, go over here to duplicate one of our worship macros, and we have to, of course, rename it worship fill no stream lyrics. Now, in order for this to trigger that audience look, we right click on it, edit action, worship. Now this little glasses and mustache, that is the icon for audience look. Select worship no stream lyrics from our menu there. Now let's go to a song down to Holy Forever right down here. Let's go ahead and select our worship fill. Let's go to this first verse right here and we can see the lyrics. Now all I'm going to do is select this worship fill with no stream lyrics and you will see the lyrics disappear from our live stream right here. And there they go. There are lots of different applications for an audience look. Now we can do some extra things with themes as well. So let's go ahead and reselect our worship fill and we can see that our lyrics come back. Let's duplicate our worship look and let's make another look for a worship song with a new theme on it. We'll call it new theme stream. We can take our worship lyrics and use a theme to reformat them to be on the lower third on the live stream. Notice this presentation line right here where we can add a theme to any of our outputs. We want to add a new theme to our live stream output that is different from our main screen. So let's go to worship new theme stream, click on that little thing right there. Let's just add a lower third for the message and add it onto there. So now we've got this new look and it's got a new theme for the live stream output only. Now let's make another macro, duplicate our worship fill macro. Let's rename it. And again, we're going to do the same thing we did last time. We are going to right click, edit action, and we are going to go to new theme stream audience look and select it. Now we've got our worship fill macro selected right now. We can also select no stream lyrics and that will remove the lyrics from the stream. Now we want to add those lyrics back with a new theme with this macro right here, and we can see that adds that lower third graphic and has the lyrics over top of it. That is all happening through the theme in the audience look editor. Let's go back to that look editor. Let's just go ahead and delete that new theme stream. We don't really need this no stream lyrics one, so we're going to go ahead and delete that one as well. So for the worship look, we are sending our lyrics with a theme to the live stream. We've got prop being sent to the wall output, and maybe I'll just talk about props right now. Props, they are essentially an aspect ratio for our main screen in our room. So that's just a simple explanation of what props are. And it is sending to the wall output. That is all three of our front three screens screens combined together on this wall output, slide and media information sent to the center wall. That is how we are seeing all of this up here. And the prop is telling all 3 screens to stretch out the information on that center wall across all 3 screens. So let's go ahead and contrast this worship look with this worship no sidewalls. The only difference between these two, it is sending the media, which is the background, to the left and right screens. For worship no sidewalls, it is not sending media to those columns. We have looks for the message, and we have looks to trigger the lower thirds on and off on our message. We've got a message with no sidewalls. We've got an announcements look, and we've got a blackout that turns off all of the outputs. We've also got this little look down here for when we are doing a worship night out in the lobby, even though technically it is the lobby screens and the live stream that is receiving slide and media information from ProPresenter. With these audience looks, it is a matter of knowing what do you want to accomplish with the look on your main screen and on your live stream. Those are the audience screens.